Yes, hello, good morning. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend how we are again. So this morning, we come because I seen a video with Andrew Holiness speaking out saying that squatters do not have no rights, right? And squatting is wrong. However, squatting is wrong. If you go squat on somebody's land while they living there, it's wrong. That are definitely truth. But if a person own a land and the land is not occupied for more than 30 years, and for more than 30 years, people occupy the land, right? If the landowner do not come around for 30 years, do not maintain the land for 30 years, you know what I say? Pay the taxes for 30 years, nothing. As somebody else occupy the land for 30 years, right? Then build the land, right? Then clear the land, build a community, pan the land after 30 years, right? There's no way the owner for the land, even if a female can come and remove those people after 30 years of living there. In order for him to get these people to move, him have to compensate them for them to relocate to a different location. So, Mr. Holiness, when you come out and saying that squatting is wrong, yes, it's wrong. But also, element of domain is wrong when the procedure is not right or go through the court. And even if the court granted that permission, the court itself is wrong. Because there's judicial laws we only have to live by too, just like citizens have to live by the judicial laws, so do private sectors and the government. So we can't go over the people in head because the government on the side of the private sectors, because the poor people don't have no money and they use illegal strategy to get them out of them home. And then you're going to say, oh, it is the government responsibility now to move forward and push to get these people who was pushed out of them home some help. But remember, it is not the government responsibility because, like you said, this is a private sector. So if a private sector come to somebody country, right, rent a piece of land, and for 30 years they did not occupy the land or did anything on the land where them claims to them that go do, and somebody deemed the land to be livable, right? Them did all the work that they need to do the procedure, paying them taxes and all kind of thing. You think you can just come and remove these people off of the land just like that without compensating them or having a relocated strategy for them to go and start them life all over again? That was wrong. It is wrong in every nation, and it should be wrong in Jamaica. And uno go like gonna take people for fool. And the thing they wanna use from people is because people do not understand the terms wanna use to clarify on the justification of doing bad things to the nation and the citizens. I cannot believe you as a prime minister come out and said something like that. Because in America, in Canada, in England, in every other country you live, you can go and occupy any place that's abandoned. Once you turn on the light, the water, anything in there, nobody cannot come and put you out, not even the owner. In order for him to put you out, him have to compensate you to relocate. So why these laws do not apply in Jamaica, but everywhere else in the world? And Jamaican people love quick to talk about, why would not blame the PM? Why would not blame the PM? The PM is the one that's in power right now. However, when I claim that he's the one, he wasn't the one who set these things in motion. It was from a different regime and a different time. He is the one that's in power right now. So everything is going to fall back upon him. So as a declaration, there's no way the judicial system should have signed off, right? For an acquisition like that to remove 200 family from a piece of land that they occupied for 30 years. That is illegal in any country except Jamaica. Jamaica, the government need to do better and stop trying to go on like them want. Disrespect the people and the citizens of the country. This is totally wrong on all levels. Global Watch Media. Tell a friend, now we again. Boom, 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 boom.